Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy chicken biryani. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found below. Don't let the long list of ingredients put you off. This is a really simple dish to make. First we prepared the rice. Simply put the rice in a bowl, cover with lots of fresh water. Then we move on to the chicken. Simply put the oil aside, put the rest of the ingredients in a bowl and thoroughly mix together. When this is done, put the vegetable and chicken mix along with the rice in the fridge for at least 2 hours. If the pan you're going to use is a tight fitting lid, you don't need to do the next part, but I like to use a double layer of tin foil to make a good seal on the pan and lid. Next, pour the oil in the pan and thoroughly coat the bottom before adding in the vegetable and chicken mixture and pressing down with a spoon. Drain any excess water from the rice and spoon over the chicken and vegetable mix. Again, push down with a spoon. Then it's on with a tight fitting lid and off to the heat. First you cook the biryani on a high heat for 5 minutes, then turn the heat down to low and cook for a further 15 minutes, and then remove from the heat and leave covered for a further 10 minutes. Then simply serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again sometime. Bye for now.